working on GMetrix PowerPoint Project Review 3. We're on the inventory sample part of the project. The first task wants us to go ahead and reuse a slide from a different PowerPoint file. It tells us to go ahead and insert it after the planning slide. So with the planning slide selected, we'll go to the Home tab here at the top. We're in the Slides group. We'll select New Slide dropdown. And what we want to select is Reuse Slides. We'll go ahead and click this Browse from File. You'll want to map to your GMetrix Templates folder. And this time we want to go ahead and select the PowerPoint file called Water Toys. It tells us that we're going to go ahead and insert Slide 3, Inventory Sample. So we'll go ahead and click that one. And then we'll go ahead and close out of this pane. We'll go ahead and check that we completed the task. This task wants us to go ahead and exclude some of the data on this chart. So we'll go ahead and select this chart. We'll go to the Design tab here at the top. We're in the Data group, and what we want to do is select Edit Data. I'll go ahead and drag this to make the screen just a little bit bigger. And what it wants us to do is exclude the data, wakeboard small, men's boot size 5 to 8. To do that, notice my cursor's changed. I just need to click and drag down. And we can go ahead and close out of this. And it went ahead and excluded that data. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and change the chart style to style 8. So with this chart selected, we're on the Chart Tools Design tab here at the top. We're in the Chart Styles group. We want to go ahead and click this More drop down here. And what we're looking for is style 8. We'll go ahead and select that. And we'll check that we completed the task.